So as you can see, I've got this nail in the tyre here. It's wedged in pretty well. It's giving it a slow puncture, so I can run on it, but I'm having to blow this tyre up every week, so I want to get rid of that. Okay, so I bought one of these puncture repair kits from eBay. I paid $5 for this. First things first. As you can see, the hardest thing about doing this job is getting these nails out. See, this is the nail that's been stuck in the tyre. It can be a real pain to get out. See, you just got to slowly get it loose. You can see. Of course, this is what's the size of that. You can, now that I've taken out, you can see the hole there, and you can hear all the air coming out. Look at the size of that nail. That's what was in. Okay, so time to plug it up. But before we plug it up, we've got to clean it all out. Make the hole a little bit bigger. I'm just burying it through. You can hear that tyre completely depressurizing now. So you've got to make it nice and clean, ready to put the filler in it. Okay, I need to do a little bit deeper than that. So you can use this tool, but I think, you know, you just use a drill, that'll clean it out. Clean it out a little bit better. So now to fill it for one of these things, this thing out, pull it out, get it ready in this tool, shove it through the needle. It's always a little bit stiff, but you need to feed it in a little bit. You need to feed it in and get it through halfway. Once you've got it in a little bit, it starts getting to be somewhat easy. Get in halfway. That's about right. Okay, we need to put the glue in it now. Okay, so I'm going to pour a bit of glue in the hole. Fill the hole up. And then coat this thing with glue. It's the rubber glue, which will completely seal it. So don't be shy when you're using this. They give you enough to do all three, so May as well use it. Okay, that's done. Got enough on there. A little bit more in there. Okay, then it's ready just to bend it over. Bend it over. Time to squeeze it in. As you can see, this is the hardest part of doing it. Pushing this in, pushing it in to seal the hole. There we go, it's going now. Okay, so I've put it in. You can see just I've left a little bit out. Then once that amount is left out, you just need to pull this straight out, pull it out hard. Pull it out so that we can leave that in, but there we go. So it's pulled out, and then we just need to cut the excess off. So I cut the excess off just with a Stanley blade. There you have it. It's sealed up. That is completely sealed. Give that a few minutes, 5-10 minutes to dry, and your puncture is completely fixed. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys.